If you've ever built a slip and thought, I hope this hits, then you're missing out on the real strategy. With DigiFantasy, you can use three tools together to take the guesswork out. Here's how it works. The DFS optimizer finds edges for you. No hours of research required. The Fantasy Scores tools acts like the fact checker, making sure the numbers and projections actually support the play. Then the DFS middling tool gives you extra protection by letting you profit even if the result lands in the middle. That's not just betting, that's smart risk management. It's how you turn daily fantasy into a system instead of a gamble. If you're ready to play like the pros, grab the DigiFantasy bundle with the link in my description and unlock the full power of these tools.